While some people pay $50,000 for a slab of natural Italian marble, our clients buy material in China that is visually and tactilely identical, 10 times cheaper and 3 times stronger. How do you like that? Take a look at these two samples. One costs as much as an airplane wing, while the other is affordable for anyone doing quality renovations. Is it really worth overpaying for the Made in Italy brand if the actual machinery at the factories is Italian anyway? Italian? Today, I'll show you the hidden side of the sintered stone market. What is sintered stone? It's a mixture of minerals that are compressed under 400 bar of pressure and baked at a temperature of 1200 degrees. This is a man-made stone that has outperformed nature. In addition to the modern technologies and advanced equipment used by the factory to manufacture its products, there is another important advantage. It's the variety. The factory offers stone in various formats, from small tiles measuring 400 by 400 millimeters to massive slabs of 1600 by 3200 millimeters. Let's start with the trends. Over the past year, we've seen a significant increase in demand for Travertine products among our clients. But natural Travertine absorbs dirt like a sponge. While you can confidently choose and use a coffee table made of natural Travertine, a countertop made from natural Travertine is far from the most practical option. But if you still want it, there's a simple answer: sintered stone. The factory offers a sintered stone option that imitates natural Travertine. In addition to the standard cream shades, darker tones are also available, such as red Travertine. This option will look striking on a wall in a bathroom or living room. You can find just red Travertine alone in several shades with different patterns, either locally produced or imported from Italy. Another frequently used option is sintered stone in black with white beige veins that create the look of natural marble. This type of sintered stone is widely used for wall and floor finishes, kitchen island facades, and countertops for built-in furniture. Again, natural marble is porous. It literally absorbs wine and coffee. Unlike marble, sintered stone has absolutely zero porosity. This makes it impervious. It doesn't absorb household chemicals and doesn't deteriorate from within, whereas natural stone becomes brittle over time due to its micropores. With this kind of countertop, you can forget about using cutting boards. The surface is not afraid of direct contact with a knife. Even if your kids decide to draw on it with markers, any dirt can be wiped away in seconds without leaving a trace.
My little child is always drawing, painting, sketching and scratching here. It's practical, it doesn't get scratched, it doesn't get ruined. You can even put hot irons or hot pots on it.
What is the secret behind such durability and a more attractive price? We found a factory, the only one in China, that represents Roberto Cavalli and Armani. The legendary system Langia is installed here. We have visited many showrooms that we ourselves recommend to clients, but it was here that we were truly pleasantly surprised by both the selection and the quality. It's important to see such variety in person, to touch the materials, examine the details, and compare the options. That's why, if you have the time and opportunity, choose the offline format and join our furniture tour. You will be able to walk through the showroom yourself and select solutions that are perfect for you. We've left all the details in the description. An important advantage of sintered stone is the aesthetics of its edge. The pattern is integrated directly into the structure of the slab. When you look at the edge of the countertop, you see the stone's veins, not a gray mass. This is the level of top Italian brands, but at the price of China. The supplier offers a wide selection of sintered stone imitating various types of natural marble. Moreover, if you order a product made of natural marble, especially if it's a countertop, we always strongly recommend choosing the option with a protective coating. Such a coating protects the marble from damage and gives it a glossy finish, which not everyone likes. When choosing sintered stone, you can opt for a matte finish, where the surface imitates the rough texture of natural stone. And of course, what amazed even me, and I've seen dozens of showrooms for sintered stone, was the rich palette of colors and finishes. From glossy to matte, textured to completely smooth, slabs that imitate natural stone or with applied patterns or designs. That's why I decided to choose sintered stone from this particular manufacturer for my bathroom. Friends, we are now in my apartment where we only finished renovations at the end of last year. And for all the bathrooms in my apartment, we also use sintered stone. Just look at this beautiful pattern. This pattern is called Four Seasons. And this design directly references Monet's paintings. Besides that, what I like about sintered stone is that when you touch it, it completely retains the texture of real stone. and it's actually very hard to tell that it's not real stone. So if you haven't used this material yet, I highly recommend it for renovating your apartments and houses. Moreover, the factory offers variations of this pattern. There are warmer or cooler color schemes available, options with a predominance of green or, on the contrary, pink tones. When sintered stone is mentioned, people usually imagine a slab with a natural stone pattern, but the factory went further with its range. They also offer options with textures that imitate mosaic. Both visually and to the touch, it's quite difficult to distinguish these types of sintered stone from real mosaic. You can see the result for yourself. Nature created beauty, but technology has perfected it. We have obtained a material that looks like an elite slab, but behaves perfectly in everyday use, stronger than steel. At GLOBUS, we constantly monitor the market. We compared hundreds of suppliers and chose the best ones. Because we have an ironclad rule, everything we offer our clients, we confidently choose for ourselves. We stand behind this choice with our name and our own experience. Friends, if you already have a finished design project or are just planning a renovation, don't rush to overpay for big brands and marketing. Just write to us using the link in the description. We will calculate your project absolutely free of charge, select the perfect slabs, and show you your real savings. And to make your final decision, visit our website, compare options, and book a furniture tour. See you in China. This was Matvey from GLOBUS Company. Goodbye, everyone.